Welcome to Digi Extreme. What we learned in my last video, I hope you remember. Today we will learn about new things, how to zoom in, zoom out of Excel sheet. How you can increase the size of Excel sheet. There are some shortcut keys. Let's try Alt V Z. Okay, V Z. I was pressing something else, so please ignore. See, now there is a dialog box where you can see we can increase the sheet size to 100%, 75%. So according to your requirement, you can increase your size, and you also have an option of customize. So let me try to make it 100%. So it gets smaller. All right. Now let's try to increase the size again. Alt V and Z. So now let's do 150. Customize means according to your requirement you can customize the thing. All right. Now if you want to check the row, how many rows you can see till the end of the sheet. So there is a shortcut key for this. Control down arrow and control up arrow to come back to the top. All right, let's try control down. See, now control up. Fine. Now next, how to add a new sheet. Just you have to press plus here, you'll get a new sheet. All right, now back to, and if you keep pressing this plus, you will get new sheet. And if you want to get a new workbook, then there is a shortcut key for this. Control N, it will give you a new workbook. So let's get back to the new or old sheet. All right, let's press Control G. So I am back to. Now there is one more way to increase the size of the screen. What you can do, press Control and then you can scroll the mouse from smaller to higher. All right, from if you scroll the mouse down then up, so it will get bigger than smaller. All right. Now how to delete a sheet? It's very simple. Just click on that sheet and there is an option called delete. So it will delete that sheet. All right. Now how to rename a sheet? So there are two ways. You can directly go to format option and there is an option called rename sheet. So let me rename it. So let me put a name Digi Extreme. All right. And there is one more option to rename any sheet. Just double click and backspace right here. All right. Part 1. Okay, then click anywhere on the sheet. Now we have how to copy a sheet. If you want to make a copy of this sheet, then how will you do this? Then right click, there is the option you can see here, move and copy. Just click on that and you have to give the location where you want. So I want it in the end, move to end and create a copy. So I clicked on create a copy. When you require, click copy. Okay, now I have got the copy of this sheet. All right, now next, moving to next, how to change tab color. This is also very simple. Just right click and there is a tab color option. You can choose according to your requirement. To see your color is changed or not, just click somewhere else. See, when you click on other sheet, you will get to know that your tab color is changed. All right, now how to hide unhide sheet. There are two options. You can directly go to format option. Here there is the option hide unhide. See, what you want to hide, just click on that. I want to hide column or unhide hide sheet. See, now I want to see the sheet, then again click on unhide sheet. See, okay, got it. This is all for today, guys. We will see new things in our next video. I will try to cover new things, and if you have any queries, you can mention in comment section. I will try to resolve your queries as well and give your feedback if you want something new, or if you want me to change something. So stay connected. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good time.